I mean, I do like putting people in uncomfortable position. I mean, that's a fun. Okay, stop it. I have a minute. But like, not actually uncomfortable. You guys know exactly what I mean. Okay, I don't want to. Can I push? Probably not, but I'm going to. And then my horsey's gonna come here. He has a bishop. I have the knights. We want it closed. Oh, now he's gonna get that move in. But then my horsey goes this way. Okay. Okay, he doesn't want the horsey to go that way. I don't blame him. Okay, time. If I push, he's still gonna push, right? Yeah, but then I have this square, and at least I have another plan that he seems to be aware of. Ooh, that would have been tempting. My horse needs to defend this guy. Okay, he's not doing the plan I expected at all. Or maybe he will. Well, then I'm gonna play here. I have 36 seconds. Stop talking and focus! Yes. Coming for that hole. That outpost. It's a better word, I guess. This is where it gets hard. This is where I usually blunder. But not today. I hope. Not today, not today, not today. I give a check. I give a mate. Morat is back.